Applying for leave. The Leave module is available under the HRM menu, and it's helpful in managing leave and leave requests of employees. Employees can apply for leave by clicking on the New menu. The menu option is available as long as the user has the appropriate permission to the Leave module. The current leave balance is displayed at the top for your reference. Choose the user for whom the leave request is being filed. If you are supervisor or administrator, you will be able to choose a user who is your subordinate. Choose the type of leave that you want to apply for. Note that you can define several types of leave from the setup pages of the application. Choose a start date and end date, as well as the sessions in case you're not applying for a full day of leave. Choose the user who will approve your leave. You can use the description field to provide any additional information. Click the Create Leave Request button to save the leave request. The leave request is now in the draft status. The Linked Files menu allows you to add any attachments if required. Once done, submit your leave request by clicking on the Validate button. Approval workflow. Leave requests thus created and submitted for approval will be waiting for action in the appropriate supervisor or administrator's dashboard. The supervisor or administrator can now review the leave request and take appropriate actions such as approval or refusal. Once a leave is approved, the remaining number of available days of leave is automatically updated. Viewing leaves and updating the leave balance. Use the appropriate menus to view the list of leaves. Leaves can be reviewed based on the status of each leave, such as draft, awaiting approval, approved, cancelled, and refused. Administrators can click on Balance of Leave to review the available leave balance for each employee. To update the leave balance of any employee, simply fill in the days, add a note if required, and click on Update to update the leave balance. Note that if you set up several types of leaves with different counters, you may have several columns with different values on this page. Monthly statement gives a graphical bird's-eye view of all the leaves based on a month and year of choice. Changelogs capture and provide details of any changes made to the leave balance of any employee.